Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do this fun look and I hope you enjoy this video as much as I did. And to create this look, I'm gonna use eyeshadow palette from OPV Cosmetic. This is what the palettes look like. This palette is very good. The pigmentations as well as the formula is very blendable. It's very easy to layer if you want to do that. To make the palette more fun, there is a pop of color in the palette, and also if you can use this as everyday eyeshadow palette too. As usual, you don't have to have this eyeshadow in order to achieve this look. You can use whatever eyeshadow palette that you have with the similar shade. Before I let you go, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The summer is almost over and I wonder how you guys are doing. Do you do any fun during this summer? As for me, I play with makeup my heart content, so it's I can say that it's pretty good summer for me. It's really humid this summer, so I don't get to go out a lot because I don't like sweat, and if I stay in the sun a little bit longer I get dizzy and stuff, so I like to stay indoor. Yeah, makeup with my friends this summer. So please let me know what kind of thing you do in this summer. I would love to know that. To make this look a little bit more fun and colorful, I would put this orangey color and this pink color in the inner corner to make it pop. I try to put only the orangey color, but it's kind of like my skin tone, so it doesn't show up that well. So yeah, I love how this little thing changed the whole look together. And if you don't like it and want to keep it simple, you can change this to highlighter or something like that. This blush is from, I think, Stila, and it's very pigmented, so you have to be really careful because it's easy to go overboard. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.